Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about showering with Mr. Gizmo. No, actually we're not going to do it. We're talking about cleaning our shower head. So you can see that with the soap scum and basically calcium buildup and things like that, hard water, all that stuff, this thing can get really kind of nasty. And with these little tiny holes and things like that, it's really hard for you to actually clean those with any kind of brush or bristles or anything like that. And you really want to get as much of that cleaned out as you can because you get better flow from it and you get rid of the nastiness. So all we're going to use today is basically a Ziploc bag, cleaning vinegar, in either like a rubber band. I'm using that hair thing because that's what I had, or you can use some like painter's tape or something like that to actually secure it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bag and we're going to fill it with a little bit of vinegar, enough that we can actually put it up and get the shower head and all these little shower spurts and things like that embedded into the vinegar. Once we do that, we're going to leave it sit there for about an hour or so, and then take it down and it should be nice and clean. So first step is really just to take vinegar, plain vinegar, regular vinegar, whatever, and we're going to pour it into this bag, which is going to be tricky because I'm trying to do this while I'm talking. And there you go. And vinegar is cheap, so you can be a little bit spendthrifty with it. Just fill up as much as you can in the bag. Then all we're going to do is we really want to get this up onto the shower head. So you might need a little step ladder if you're not a very tall person. And we're just going to secure it like this, of course, over the shower head. So you can see that you want it in there. You're going to see you'll start seeing it bubble a little bit and things like that, trying to take some of this stuff out of there. So we're going to do that, and we're going to try this rubber band first. Okay, so you can see we got it looped in there. You can see that the vinegar is working its way in there. And you can see kind of the nastiness actually coming out. You can see it in the bottom tip of there. So it takes a little bit of effort to kind of get it over the thing and then wrap it there. That's why I would probably suggest using some kind of tape or something like that, because you don't have to go around it as much. And a stool is going to help you. It's going to be your best friend. Unless you're tall, you can reach right way up there. Getting a little step stool or something like that in here is going to be good for you. So that's it. We'll come back in an hour and we'll show you the results.
3 hours later.
Okay, so it's been a few hours, so we're just going to remove this and see how it did. And you don't have to waste this vinegar. You can put it on the drain and things like that. You can see it did a really good job of getting all the hard water stains off there. I'm just going to use a little bit of a brush. So I'm just taking an old toothbrush and I'm just going to brushing it a little bit just to get into some of those areas that had some loose, because the vinegar did a great job of loosening everything, but just where it got a little bit loose. And you can see it is perfectly clean now, and it works wonders to clean that out. You can see all the dirt at the bottom of this, like in little, you can see it floating in there, kind of nasty. But anyways, you can see it in there. Okay, so that's it. This is a quick, easy, anybody can do this to clean their shower head, get the hard water stains off and the gunk out of there, just to soak it in some vinegar. Vinegar is, cheap, easy to use, and that sort of thing. So you can use this on not only shower heads, but you can use it on sinks. You can use it on tubs and things like that as well. Just to get all those drains really clean and get those screens cleaned out. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Keep watching our video. Give us a thumbs up. And if I've really helped you a lot, super thanks is always a welcome thing for a cup of coffee. Appreciate it.